Welcome to CED 771, Applied Spiritual, Ethical, and Religious Counseling Theory. This is a course that is part of our Spiritual, Ethical, and Religious Counseling Letter of Completion and Certificate programs. And you can watch another video that talks specifically about those programs. This video is an introductory video for the course and for D2L, and I'd just like to provide some specifics that are topical to this new online course. This is the first time we'll be offering this course in our CED program. My name is Dr. Grafton Eliason. You can call me Grafton, you can call me Dr. Eliason, whichever you're comfortable with. You are graduate students and adults, and I believe that we could either address each other by our first names, or if you were going to call me Dr. Eliason, I would have to call you Mr., Ms., Mrs., whatever prefix would be appropriate for you. So, it's whatever you're comfortable with. But greetings, welcome to this course. You can contact me through email. That would be the best way to contact me. I check email every day, and I respond as quickly as possible. You can also contact me over the phone to my office, which is listed on the contact information. If it's an emergency, you can call my cell phone. I do not check my office phone or voicemail messages as often as email. So email is probably the easiest way to get in touch with me. If you're on campus, my office is 429 Keystone. I'm on campus Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 1 o'clock until I teach class in the evening. Let me talk a little bit about the topic of spirituality and religion a little bit. It's a sensitive topic. I think the most important thing when we're talking about belief systems is to understand that there's no right or wrong belief system. As counselors, it's very important to respect one another's belief systems, not to judge anyone else, and not to be critical of another person's belief system. We are expected not to place our own values upon another person as counselors. And this is a topic that usually comes up in counseling sessions at some point or another. People are searching for meaning, and belief systems provide some of that meaning to our lives. So it's integral to the counseling process. I would say that no matter what we believe, it is part of a surrounding belief system. So, for instance, we may follow a specific prescribed religion. We might be Christian, whether it is non-denominational, whether it is Catholic, whether it is Protestant. We may be Muslim, we may be Buddhist, we may be Hindu. And there's so many branches, and so many other religions that are not included in that list that I mentioned. We may be agnostic, so we might not subscribe to a specific religious system, and that's fine. We might be atheist, and not believing in any type of religious system or higher being is still a belief system. People might believe that when we die, there's nothingness. And that in itself might be comforting and an appropriate belief system for some people. And all of this is acceptable in our class. We are not judging in any way. In a future video, I'll share my own spiritual journey with you. And that's just me sharing my journey with you. It's not right. It's not wrong. It's my personal journey. It's what I feel comfortable sharing. It's not my entire journey, just a synopsis of it. And I encourage you to share bits and pieces of your own journey with the class. I'll never ask you to share anything that is not comfortable for you to share. And I would ask that nobody judge another person in this class. Be diplomatic with your posts and your responses. And I would say the most important thing in this class is to be open and to be respectful of your classmates. Be empathic with one another. Be kind. And be diplomatic. Be courteous.